Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also love subscription boxes and you guys do as well. I just received my BoxyCharm by Ipsy, which is now known as the Ipsy Extra. This is my PR box for the month of December. If you are new here, I will pop up deets and everything about cost and price of everything. Ipsy, as of last month, did go through some name changes. The standard Ipsy Glam Bag is now the Ipsy Original. Our BoxyCharm by Ipsy is now the Ipsy Extra, and then the Icon box is now named the Ipsy Ultimate. And of course, this is a spoiler for you guys. This is sent kindly in PR from Ipsy, so thank you in advance to Ipsy. I will also have my link to join Ipsy down below. I do earn a commission, so if you do sign up through my link, thank you so much. But again, this is a spoiler. If you don't want any spoilers, this may not be the video for you. However, if you do want to see, you want to get a sneak peek before Choice opens on the 1st, Choice is open from the 1st to the 3rd, then stick around. All right, right on top, we do have our informational card. And the theming for December 2025 is Play, Beauty, Spread, Joy. From finding the perfect gift to unwrapping something sparkly for yourself, this is the time to brighten spirits, starting with your own. And then we do obviously have some pertinent details. They let us know when Choice is opening. And then we can scan here to get information about the products in our box. So again, this is formerly BoxyCharm by Ipsy. It is now Ipsy Extra. Okay, right on top, a brand we all, I think, know and love. This is the Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. Everything in here, of course, is a full size. We get 5 full-size products. Everything I've ever tried from Amika, I have loved. I love the packaging. I think it's got this cool kind of funky 70s retro vibe to it. Everything smells great. So starting off with a bang, I'm happy already. Next up, something from Fenty Beauty. We have the Gloss Bomb Oil, Luminizing Lip Oil and Gloss in Rose Amber. I feel like I might have this one. Let me double check. And if you're new here, or if you're not new here, I'm really sorry about the echo and things and me filming in my bathroom. We just moved, and my beauty space is also our guest space, so we have family in town. Yesterday was Thanksgiving, so if you do celebrate, I hope you had a great day. I feel like I have this one, so I'm not going to swatch it or mess with it at all. But y'all know if you've been here with me for a while, absolutely love these, so still very happy. Next up, oh, that is heavy. Oh, this is from Say. This is the Glowy Super Gel Lightweight Multi-Purpose Illuminator. This is in Rose Glow. I've only ever seen like the smaller little components for this, if this is what I'm thinking it is. Oh, that's nice. I've never seen it in like, I guess, the full size. It is a nice glass bottle. And it looks to be a beautiful, like, champagne-y shade. Let me just kind of read up on this. Use as a glowy prep step mixed in with skincare or foundation or as an all-over luminizer. So very much giving, like, the Charlotte Tilbury type vibe. That feels nice. It feels luxe. Okay, y'all. I'm excited about this. I'm really liking the selection so far. Next up, we have something from Sonage. This is AI Peptide Serum. Refine and Revive. Tripeptides, niacinamide, and caffeine. Of course, a full size. And then last up, thank goodness, because I was going to complain if there wasn't a palette. We have a palette. Real Her You Are Brilliant Pro Blush palette. I kind of complain a lot. Not necessarily complain, but I do speak oftentimes in terms of me wishing that Ipsy would revert back to kind of old school Ipsy, if you will, and a lot of you guys kind of feel the same way. I think there should be a palette in every single box. Even if it's a blush palette, if it's a face palette, if it's an eyeshadow palette, I would like personally to see some form of a palette. I am a huge fan of Real Her products. Their lip liners, their brow products are some of my favorites. This does feel, it feels cheap. It feels a little cheap. Ooh. Y'all, I wish I could get into my beauty space. This is definitely giving Lunar Beauty dupe for real. Keep in mind, this is going to be upside down to you guys. And I know the lighting is a little bit trash. In person, though, it's very much giving Lunar Beauty vibes. That's beautiful. I do actually want to swatch. Wow. That texture feels beautiful, you guys. Ooh. Okay, the more like highlighty type shade, it's a little chunky monkey. It's a little thicker. I don't mind it, but they feel very, very soft and very smooth. Ooh, okay, I'm not mad at it. So breakdown very quickly. We had our Real Her You Are Brilliant Pro Blush Palette. We had the Sonage, the AI Peptide Serum. We had the Say Glowy Super Gel Lightweight Multi-Purpose Illuminator, and my shade was Rose Glow. We have our Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Oil Luminizing Lip Oil and Gloss in Rose Amber. And then our Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. I'm thrilled. I think I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. The palette is maybe not my all-time favorite. It does feel a little bit cheap. I do think that it's pretty, and I like the color selection in there. And I like that we got like a little bit of skincare, something for the hair, some makeup. I like a more kind of well-balanced box. I don't wanna see like 5 skincare products. I don't want to always see like liners and stuff like that. I feel like we get liners so frequently. I feel like we get like eye creams so frequently. And the reason I kind of want to see a palette in every single box is because it gives us an opportunity to try new makeup, and we can really play with makeup. We can play with an eyeshadow palette versus if I'm getting the same kind of skincare types of products every single month, we can only use so much skincare. Hopefully that makes some kind of sense to y'all. Yeah, I like it. I think I'm still gonna give it a 5 out of 5. I like the overall selection. There are a couple of products in here that I think I'm really, really gonna love. So yeah, I think it's gonna be a good month. Comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. Please don't forget to go and make your choices. Choice opens on the 1st, from the 1st to the 3rd. Thank you all so much for joining. Thank you, of course, to Ipsy for gifting. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauty!